Hey, hi guys, it's me Harini from Filtered Recipes. Today's recipe is going to be a bao bun recipe, which is like a steamed bun. To this you can add anything as a stuffings as you wish. You can have like with fried chicken or grilled chicken, anything. So let's get started. So in a bowl I've taken some plain flour and some salt, some sugar and baking powder. All the ingredients are listed down below. Please check for the measurement. And I'm just going to mix the first set of ingredients, and for the second set I'm adding some yeast. I'll tell you the different kinds of yeast. One is instant yeast and another one is active dried yeast. So with instant yeast you don't have to do anything, you just have to add it to the flour directly and then use it. But with the active yeast you need to proof it for some time. So I've added some yeast and I've got a half and half mixture of milk and warm water, and I'm going to mix everything together until nice soft dough. And I've also reserved like 1/4 cup of flour just in case if it is too sticky. I'll be adding little by little. So this is a little bit more sticky, so I'm going to add a little bit more flour and knead it for another few minutes. So once everything is well combined, it took me about like 10 minutes in total for the kneading process. You can also do this with your hand, but today I'm using my stand mixer to make things a lot easy. I'm going to transfer this to a counter and knead it for like another 1 minute just to make it into a nice round ball. And I'm going to place this in an oiled bowl and going to set this aside in a nice warm place so that it doubles in size. Don't forget to oil because it prevents from dough getting really dry. And I'm going to cover this with a cling film now. And I'm going to set this in the warm place for another 1.5 hours to 2 hours. So after 1.5 hours, look at my dough, it has doubled in size. And again I'm going to transfer this to the counter with some flour. Just see the technique how I roll it until I reach 1 centimeter thickness. I just keep sprinkling some flour so that it is not sticky. And I use a rolling pin to turn it around. So after I reach 1 centimeter thickness, I'm going to use a cookie cutter to make nice shape down. You can again knead this dough and make it into small rounds again. I'm applying some oil and going to sprinkle some oil on the flour on the top so that it's not stick together when we fold it into two. I've got a baking tray ready with the parchment sheet so that I can arrange all the bourbons here, and I'm rolling it really very gently, and it's all ready. Again I'm going to set it aside for another 30 minutes so that it doubles up in size. Here I've got some hot water and I'm using bamboo steamer. You can use any kind of steamer. Look at the size now. And this buns are really delicate, so please place it nice and gentle. And I'm going to steam this for like 5 to 7 minutes. So after 7 minutes, look at this. The bao bun has been nicely baked. And I've added some grilled chicken with some mayonnaise and some red onions. This is how I'm going to enjoy it today. And you can add any stuffings as you like. So that's it guys, that's my bao bun recipe. Hope you guys all like my video. If you like, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you guys in another recipe video. Until then, it's bye from Harini. Ta-da!